So friends, welcome to another altcoin update video. Today we're going to take a closer look at Ondo. It was also a frequent request from you, and by now it's a coin that I've invested a bit in, or rather, I've added more to it. You'll definitely find out all this info in today's update video, so make sure to stick around until the end. If you have any more altcoin requests, feel free to write them in the comments below. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything, and if you're up for it, feel free to join the free Telegram talk and Signal group. There you will always be the first to know when there is something new, also the latest trading signals. And if you want to buy or stake Ondo, you can also do that with Binx, so feel free to sign up at my partner exchange Binx. You can find the link for that for free down in the video description or in the comments section, plus you'll be supporting the channel and me with that. In the comments section, also you'll be supporting the channel and me with that. So Ondo is currently trading at we have a market cap of $2.89 billion. To be honest, I kind of missed the boat on that. So this whole Ondo hype, or rather, so generally the whole Ondo story, I came across it a bit more closely, I think a month or two ago, to be honest, and especially with whom Ondo is collaborating a bit. Who else is using Ondo? BlackRock is expanding its build fund. The largest token is this fund from BlackRock, and it's continuing to grow. Ethereum recently reached a market capitalization of $544 million. Now 5 more blockchains are being added. That's also Ondo, and for me it was like, okay, I'm just going to go in with 25%. I mentioned last Thursday during the live stream that I got in here, and by now the price has developed really well upwards. We're here on the 4-hour time frame. I think my entry was around 1.73, and it's already up 20%. Of course, that was the story. I went in with 25% into this altcoin. For me, it was just like this. It's what I always preach to you daily. If you really want to get into the coin, put in 25% of your capital that you want to invest, keep the other 75% aside, and that's how I'm handling it right now. $2, as I said, is doing quite well at the moment, and it's more of a long-term thing for me. Of course, we've also formed a bearish divergence here in the last few days. Not really bullish, but still, the altcoins haven't even really started yet, which is why I still place some value on that. We definitely have correction potential here. That's something we need to mention as well. Just a quick look at our fib level, or rather, I've even set up the fib level here, which for me indicates clear correction potential and buying points. Once down here at 130, we have a nice inefficiency here, and I'll show you that a bit more when I zoom in closer. We also had the perfect wick here, but unfortunately, I missed it because I hadn't set a price alert yet. That was my mistake. Here, unfortunately, there's inefficiency, a nice support from the past we still have here, plus the Fibonacci retracement level. So this is my first zone where I would say, okay, I will invest another 25, 50% here. Then definitely the golden pocket here, same 25 to 25, 25 to 50%, excuse me. I will also reinvest here. These are my next buying zones. Maybe in the short term, depending on whether there is correction potential, I will maybe go back in here at 148. These are my first buy zones for U2001. Otherwise, on a daily basis, we can tidy up the chart a bit. If we take a quick look, we can see that on the daily, it has already hit perfectly upwards, which could also indicate a correction. So we need to be a bit cautious when we set the fib level from our low to our high here. From our high to our low, we can see right up here at 1.618, which are usually price areas that get hit during a bull run. So Ondo is also a bit overbought, especially with the daily divergence that we currently have. So we need to be a bit cautious here, and if we pull the fib level from our low to our current high, you'll see that the golden pocket is right here. So the overlaps in the range from about 1.34 to roughly 1.501 are very significant. And those are the price ranges to accumulate. $3 to 4, 2.618 to 3.618. Buy back in heavily as we go up. Price targets for the bull run. USAND, because we have not had a bull run before. For me, the price up here is between 26.18, between $3 and 36.18 at $4. So it is a large range, but that is the price range that I am definitely hoping for the next take profit. Feel free to write in the comments below whether you are invested in Ondo, what you think of the project. Are you bullish, bearish? Are you invested or not? Feel free to write. I would be interested, but for me, it's another small purchase for the portfolio just to diversify it a bit more. We'll definitely catch up in the next altcoin video, which will be coming later today. I'm looking forward to it. Until then, ciao, and as always, stay crippled.